can't. Honest to goodness, this could be another 5 for 5. Stitchfix, you're killing me. Hi y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ann, and today I am going to be unboxing Stitchfix. Stitchfix is a styling service where they will send you 5 outfits. You go online, fill out a profile, let them know your size, your style, your wants and needs, things like that, and based on that also you can go through and you show them what you like. Shipping is always free. If you keep all 5, you get your 25% discount. I've got 2 bundles. Oh, lots of sweaters. Oh, all sweaters. Okay. Also, they'll put things together for you based on things you've already bought. But anyway, I have these 2 bundles, all sweaters, which I love sweaters. We'll go with this first one that is all by itself. And this is by Fortune and Ivy. Oh, this is cute. It is a cardigan. It's gray. There are probably some other colors in there. My lighting is not good at all today. And it's cloudy and it's supposed to storm, so I don't know if it will or not, but it's got these two buttons and these little, I don't know what you would call those, but really cute, really cute. I like the fact that it's a neutral color. Next, I think I've seen this in another video. I think I might have requested it. This is cute. Okay, there's the back with the crisscross detail. And then the front. No pockets on this one, but this is really cute. I like this fall kind of mustard. Very cute. Next. Okay, I like this too. An olive pullover. Oh, I've seen this. I've seen this in different colors. With the patches on the elbow. Kind of a, I don't know what you'd call it. Very cute. And, okay, this is another pullover sweater. Very light. I like the fact that it's very light, very a transitional piece. It's got the crisscross back, which is cute. Oh, another cardigan. Okay. And I did do a preview, and I think I picked out 3 of these items, and then I'll have to go back and look and see which 3, but they know I love cardigans. I always have to go back and make sure I don't have something similar in color. Let me go try these on and let's see what we think. Okay, this is the Market & Spruce Tabitha Waffle Knit Cardigan. In blush, size small, $68. I like this. I like this. I like the color. It's a pretty color. I like the weight of it. I just put on some STS blue jeans that I got in a box, and this top I got in a box, and the boots I got in my last Stitch Fix box. I don't remember where these others came from, but it has an interesting lapel that is tacked at the top, and then it just lays like this all the way down, and it has kind of a satchel kind of pocket. I'm not sure what you would call that, but I like it. I like this. I think it's really cute. It has the banded sleeve, and there's the knit on it. So I like it. This is the Raiden This is the Raiden Tab Detail Cardigan by Fortune and Ivy. in off-white, size small, $50. I like this. Pretty versatile. It too has the kind of the lay down lapel because of the tabs with the buttons. It's got, you could wear it with just almost anything. It's black, gray, and it's got some gold, a little bit of gold kind of weaved in there too. So it kind of sparkles a little bit. Not a bad sparkle. I don't know if you can see and then the tabs. No pocket, but very cute, very versatile. I like it. This is the Mia back detail pullover in burgundy, size small, $44 by Love Ellie. I think it's really cute. It's really soft. It is definitely about to start storming. The trees are blowing. It's very soft. I did a little bit of a front tuck, but I will show you the back. I don't think my bra is showing in the back, but I like the detail and the band at the bottom. It's really cute. Okay, this is the Jamelia back detail cardigan in mustard, size small, $46 by Pink. Pinque. I don't remember seeing that brand, but maybe I have. Anyway, I like this. I love the color, very fall, and I kept on the sweater from before that's burgundy. I think these are really complementary colors, very fall. I like the back, the cross detail, very cute. It's not super heavy, so to me makes it pretty versatile, but I like it. I like it a lot. So I'll try on the last outfit and I'll be back. All right, last thing is by Letty and Me, and it is the Josie elbow patch pullover in olive, size small, $46. I think it's really cute. I did a little front tuck. I don't know if you would or not, because it's not super bulky, but I don't know. But it's got the kind of the rounded edge. I like the waffle detail. It's also got the slit kind of on the sides. Let me show you the pattern. Can you see that? And then the sleeve is just this. I like it. Honest to goodness, this could be another 5 for $5. Stitchfix, you're killing me. Okay, let's do a little wrap up. I like all three of these cardigans. I like that they each have their own little personality. They're all a little different. It's not just nothing's just kind of your basic cardigan. They all have a little something. This one has the tabs, that one has the lapel. This one has the back. I really love this color. I really love the cardigans. And I like this. I like this better than I thought I would. And I like did I show you all the patches? I did, didn't I? Okay. I said before, I have really long arms. These are not exactly fitting me at the elbow. I just realized that. I do have long arms. So that might be a factor in this. I do like this. I love the color. Very soft. I like the back. I'm gonna have to look and make sure nothing showed. I don't want to have to worry about a bra showing or anything. But the total of all of this is $254. The stylist's picks subtotal $254. Buy all discount less 25%, $63.50, which brings it down to $190 minus my $20 styling fee, so that would be $170.50. That's not bad for all of this. Again, I'm going to have to look at this, and kind of weird. Probably not going to do this, but I'm really going to have to think hard on the 3 cardigans. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this. And I will see you next time. Thanks, y'all.